Selling jewelry online, especially bracelets, presents an incredible opportunity for entrepreneurs. Whether you're a seasoned jeweler or a hobbyist looking to turn your passion into profit, understanding how to sell bracelets and jewelry online is essential. This video will walk you through everything you need to know, from setting up your online store to developing effective marketing strategies. And by the way, if you're looking for the best place to sell online, I would recommend Shopify. For your convenience, I left my affiliate link down in the description of this video. So make sure to sign up to Shopify using my link, and with that in mind, let's get started. Understanding the market. Now, before diving into the mechanics of selling bracelets and jewelry online, it's essential to understand the market. Trends and demands in the jewelry industry are ever evolving, and identifying your target customers is the first step to success. Are you catering to a high-end clientele looking for custom, one-of-a-kind pieces? Or is your focus on affordable, fashion-forward designs? Conducting a thorough market analysis will help you determine the types of bracelets and jewelry that will appeal to your audience and guide your business strategy. Now, the first thing you need to consider is your target market. Who are your customers? What kind of jewelry do they prefer? Are they looking for high-end luxury pieces, or are they more interested in affordable, trendy items? Understanding your market will help you decide the type of bracelets and jewelry you want to sell. For instance, if your target audience is young and fashion-forward, you might focus on selling affordable, trendy bracelets. On the other hand, if your audience is more mature and affluent, you might consider selling high-end, custom-made pieces. Setting up your online store. Now, choosing the right platform to sell your bracelets and jewelry online is crucial, and Shopify is an excellent choice. Start by signing up for a Shopify account, entering your email, creating a password, and choosing a store name. Shopify offers customizable themes with drag and drop functionality, making it easy to create a professional store without any design or coding experience. Your website should be visually appealing and easy to navigate, with high-quality product photos and detailed descriptions. Consider hiring a professional photographer or using a lightbox for the best results. Add products to your store by uploading photos, writing descriptions, and setting prices. Shopify also provides inventory management tools to help you keep track of stock levels. Install various apps to enhance your store's functionality, such as email marketing, customer reviews, and social media integration. Choose a reliable shipping carrier and decide on your shipping rates and methods. Make sure your site includes essential pages like About Us, Shipping and Returns, and Contact. Customize your domain to reflect your brand and ensure it's available on social media channels. Finally, test your site thoroughly and hit Publish to go live. Marketing strategies. Once your online store is set up, the next step is to drive traffic to your site and generate sales. Social media is a powerful tool for marketing your jewelry. Platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, and TikTok are perfect for showcasing your product and connecting with potential customers. Regularly post engaging content and use relevant hashtags to attract a larger audience. Implementing SEO techniques will help your store rank higher in search engine results, driving more traffic to your site. Email marketing is another effective way to reach potential customers. Create a mailing list and send regular updates about new products, promotions, and company news. Collaborating with influencers can also increase your visibility and credibility. Partner with influencers who align with your brand to reach a wider audience. Consider running targeted ads on social media and Google to drive traffic to your store. Content marketing like writing blog posts and creating how-to guides can also attract potential customers. Finally, attending trade shows and hosting pop-up shops can help you get your jewelry in front of potential customers and build brand recognition. Pricing your jewelry. When pricing your jewelry, consider both the time and expenses involved in creating each piece. Some experts recommend selling your products for 3 times the cost of making them. For instance, if a bracelet costs $10 to produce, you could price it at $30. This ensures that you cover your costs and make a profit while remaining competitive. To determine the cost of making your jewelry, you need to consider the cost of materials, labor, and overhead. Materials include the beads, wires, clasps, and other components used to make your jewelry. Labor refers to the time it takes to design and create each piece. Overhead includes expenses like rent, utilities, and marketing. Now, once you've calculated your costs, you can use Shopify's free profit margin calculator to determine a suitable price for your jewelry. This tool helps you calculate your profit margins and ensures that you're pricing your products in a way that maximizes your profitability. Managing inventory and fulfillment. Efficient inventory management is crucial for maintaining a smooth operation. Shopify's fulfillment network offers affordable rates and helps speed up shipping times. This service can receive, process, and deliver goods to your clients, enhancing the customer experience. The Shopify app also allows you to manage transactions and inventory on the go. Now, when managing your inventory, it's important to keep track of your stock levels and reorder products before they run out. You can use inventory management software to automate this process and ensure that you always have enough stock to meet customer demand. Now, shipping is another critical aspect of running an online jewelry store. You need to decide on your shipping rates and methods. Will you offer free shipping or will you charge a flat rate? Will you ship internationally or will you focus on domestic orders? Consider using a shipping carrier that offers reliable service and affordable rates. Shopify integrates with various shipping carriers, allowing you to choose the best option for your business. Handling returns is also an important part of customer service. Make sure you have clear return policy and communicate it to your customers. If a customer wants to return a product, handle the process professionally and efficiently to maintain their trust and satisfaction. Legal and financial considerations. Registering your business as a limited liability company, LLC, provides personal liability protection and can offer tax benefits. You can file for an LLC through your state Secretary of State website or use an online business filing service. This step is crucial for building trust with customers and establishing your brand legally. In addition to registering your business, you need to obtain any necessary licenses and permits to operate legally. This may include a sales tax permit, a business license, and any industry-specific certifications. Check with your local government to find out what requirements apply to your business. Managing your finances is another important aspect of running a successful jewelry business. Keep track of your income and expenses and set aside money for taxes. You can use accounting software to simplify this process and ensure that your financial records are accurate and up to date. Scaling your business. As your business grows, consider expanding your product line and exploring new market opportunities. For example, you could add new types of jewelry such as necklaces, earrings, or rings. You could also offer custom-made jewelry or personalized pieces to cater to a wider audience. Wholesale and consignment options can help increase your sales volume. Wholesale involves selling your products in bulk to retailers, while consignment involves placing your products in a store and paying a commission on sales. Both options can help you reach new customers and increase your revenue. Leveraging data and analytics will provide insights into customer behavior and preferences, allowing you to make informed decisions about your business's future direction. Use tools like Google Analytics to track your website's performance, identify trends, and measure the effectiveness of your marketing campaigns. So, are you ready to turn your passion for jewelry into a profitable online business? If so, start by setting up your online store on Shopify today and take advantage of their comprehensive tools and resources. With the right strategies in place, you can successfully sell bracelets and jewelry online and tap into the booming market. And don't forget that if you would like to sign up for Shopify, make sure to use my affiliate link down in the description of this video. Clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra and it helps me support the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.